Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nail drill is probably one of the most important tools in a nail technician's arsenal, and finding the right one can significantly impact the quality of your work and the satisfaction of your clients. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of professional nail drills, exploring the key features, performance aspects, and top recommendations to help you make an informed decision and elevate your nail services. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120B Electric Nail Drill Kit. Introducing the MelodySusie PC120B, a compact and professional nail file kit. It's designed for both beginners and professionals, perfect for achieving salon-quality nails from the comfort of your home. This kit comes with 6 metal bits and sanding bands, offering versatility for all your nail art needs. You can grind, carve, cut, and polish, as well as remove cuticles with this tool. With a speed control button, you can easily adjust the speed from 0 to 20,000 RPM. This makes it safer and easier to polish your nails, giving you complete control over the process. The electric nail file features a powerful yet quiet motor, and smart heat dissipation to avoid overheating. It's designed for comfortable and efficient use, ensuring a smooth experience. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. You can bring it anywhere and do your nail artwork anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for both home and salon use. Simply connect the power cord, and you're ready to start. It's user-friendly and designed to make your nail care routine simple and effective. What we like. This nail drill is designed for all nail art needs, from grinding to polishing. It's easy to use, just plug and play, perfect for both home and salon use. If you're looking for a versatile and portable nail drill, this is the one for you. What people say. It's lightweight and fits comfortably in my hand, making it easy to maneuver. The adjustable speed settings allow me to work at a pace I'm comfortable with, and it's effective for both natural and acrylic nails. Has all the basic drill bits you need and comes with a lot of extra sanding bands. Great for at-home nail techs and easy to use for beginners. Just start slow on the speed to avoid slipping. Number 4. AIRSEE Home Lite USB Nail Drill Kit. This gel nail kit is perfect for beginners. It includes a high-quality nail drill pen, bits, and sanding bands. You can quickly learn to trim and sand your nails at home. The handle is made of aluminum alloy, which helps dissipate heat. The pen shape makes it easy to grip and control. It's designed with two-way rotation for a comfortable experience for both left and right-handed users. This nail grinder uses high-speed precision control technology. It maintains stability at high speeds up to 20,000 RPM. It also ensures a low-noise environment. Weighing only 0.5 pounds, it features USB charging technology. This allows you to use it with a mobile power supply or laptop. You can get manicures and pedicures on the go. It's an ideal gift for anyone interested in nail art. It's a great starter kit for those who want to DIY their own nails. What we like. This nail drill is perfect for beginners, offering a complete kit to start your nail journey. It's lightweight and USB rechargeable, making it ideal for on-the-go use. If you are a beginner or like to do nail art on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. It came with a lot of accoutrements, 2 different sets of grinding heads, each in their own case, a large baggie of sanding bands, which are only used for one grinder head, so they will definitely last you a while, the device itself, and a booklet that explains what each grinder head is used for, with troubleshooting tips and a 6-month warranty if you complete the registration process. It's explained in the last section of the booklet. The device also comes with a cable and built-in adapter. The cord is fairly long, but you do need to keep it plugged in while using. It's much more powerful than my older one, even though that brand was more expensive. This had more bit options. Spins faster. Smaller, so easy to control. I'm new to using this kind of item, so I'm glad there's a booklet that says what each piece is for. Number 3. Beurer MP62 Electric Nail Drill Kit. Want professional nails without the salon price? This electric nail drill is designed to help you achieve flawless nails on both your hands and feet. It's perfect for maintaining healthy nails at home. The kit includes 10 different attachments made from sapphire, felt, and sandpaper. These attachments allow you to remove cuticles, calluses, and shape your nails. It's even suitable for thick or acrylic nails. You can easily control the speed and rotation direction of the nail filer. This makes it suitable for all skin types, including those with diabetes. It gives you complete control over your nail care. The integrated LED light illuminates the nail area for a more refined finish. The dust shield keeps your manicure and pedicure hygienic and mess-free. This ensures a clean and precise experience. This user-friendly kit comes with a practical storage case to keep everything organized. It also includes a coiled cable for easy reach during use. It's designed for your convenience. What we like. This nail drill comes with a variety of attachments for professional results at home. The integrated LED light ensures a refined finish, and the adjustable settings cater to all your nail care needs. If you like salon-quality nails at home, you should consider it. What people say. The drill is easy to use, has adjustable speed settings, and feels comfortable in hand. The bits included are perfect for shaping, buffing, and cuticle work, making it a great all-in-one tool for home manicures. It's powerful, efficient, and comes with all the essential attachments for a flawless manicure or pedicure. Number 2. MelodySusie Scarlet White Electric Nail Drill. This electric nail drill features a convenient bit holder and a handpiece designed for easy access. It's designed to save space on your desk while ensuring low heat, low noise, and minimal vibration during use. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, allowing for extended use without fatigue. The handpiece is compatible with all three 32-inch drill bits, and we've included 6. The twist lock system makes changing bits simple. Easily adjust the speed from 0-30,000 RPM with the speed dial. The forward and reverse buttons allow for use by both right and left-handed users. The foot pedal provides convenient on-off control. For nail prep, use 8,000-12,000 RPM. When using sanding bands, go above 15,000 RPM. For gel removal, use speeds above 25,000 RPM, and for shortening nails, use 35,000 RPM. Remember to clean the handle regularly. You'll receive the electric nail drill, power supply, foot pedal, 6 drill bits, 56 sanding bands, and a user manual. We also provide a hassle-free warranty and 24/7 online customer service. Feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. This nail drill features a foot pedal for easy on-off control, enhancing convenience during use. It offers adjustable speed and rotation, suitable for both professionals and beginners. If you are looking for a professional-grade nail drill with added convenience, this is the one. What people say. If working properly, this is a very fine unit with a 6-month warranty. It operates well at all speeds, unlike other units I've tried. I absolutely love this compact e-file. Buy with confidence that you will receive a powerful, yet quiet machine with no vibration. It comes with 6 bits and bag of 100 or so orbital sanding bands. Bits can be conveniently kept along the top of the base behind where you store the motor when not in use. Equipped with 6 tiny different holes made for each bit. Number 1. MelodySusie SC300i 30,000 RPM Nail Drill. Introducing the MelodySusie SC300i Nail Drill. It features a high-quality bearing, allowing it to reach speeds up to 30,000 RPM. This makes it perfect for both professionals and beginners. This e-file provides superior torque, preventing it from stopping during use. It's great for shaping nails, buffing, and smoothing skin. The handpiece is made of aluminum alloy and designed with ventilation holes for heat dissipation. Its lightweight, pencil-shaped design reduces vibration and is comfortable for extended use. With its portable hook and lightweight design, it's suitable for salon use, home use, travel. This makes it convenient for anyone. This nail drill machine has CE and FCC certificates. It comes with 6 months of support. Feel free to contact us if you have any issues with it. What we like. This nail drill offers high speed and top quality torque for smooth and efficient nail work. Its lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use. If you like a powerful and comfortable nail drill, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Absolutely don't look further for another nail drill. I bought 3 and returned them from Amazon due to low quality and terrible speed. This drill. I cannot express enough how perfect this works for me. I work in a very busy salon and use an e-file for nearly every service. The battery life on this thing is so long. I had used it for weeks and didn't need a charge right away. It's fast, quiet, no vibration and easy to use. Although this is my first drill, I think it's super good quality and works really well. It has both directions, lots of RPM variety, is easy to change bits, and the battery lasts pretty long. I purchased this drill during the pandemic and it still stands strong 5 years later. The bits are all useful and I do find this drill to be much better than other options available on Amazon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.